What's up, devs? I have really good news for you. If you are using Claude Code, probably you will be really happy because Claude Code now support Ollama models. If you don't know what Ollama is, watch my other video. But basically, Ollama allows you to run different open source model on your local computer. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run Claude Code with local models. We are going to do it inside the terminal. So first, open the terminal and install Claude Code by using this command. After that, set two environment variables. The first one Anthropic out token with the value Ollama. The second one Anthropic base URL with URL to localhost. It is a default URL for Ollama server. Then let's install Ollama into your computer. If you already have it, make sure to update it to the latest version. You can use the same command as in my screen. For that, we need to download local models to our computer. In order to install local models, open ollama.com website, navigate to models, then use the search to find the model you want to install. I'm going to install GPT-OSS model because it's a little smaller than Qwen. So use the search to find recommended model by Claude. For example, I'm going to use this one. Simply click on the name of the model and the copy terminal command. After that, go back to the terminal window and insert the command that you just copied. For example, this command will download and run GPT-OSS 20 billion parameter model on my local computer. Okay, let's test the Claude Code with the local models. You can use this command. Ollama launch Claude. The first launch, you will see all available models on your local computer. We're going to use GPT-OSS 20 billion parameters. Select the model and hit the enter. And here we go. As you can see, Claude has started successfully. Keep in mind that if you don't have strong computer, the performance of Claude Code will be really slow, because different models have different requirements for hardware. And also don't expect the same experience that you have with the Claude Code models, because as you might know, Anthropic models are really good for coding. Okay, let me use the simple prompt. I've asked Claude Code to tell me about the code repository. Okay, let's wait for the response. I also tried to run smaller models with the Claude Code. Let me open it side by side. This time I'm running the really small model from Google. It's Gemma 1 billion parameter model, and unfortunately Claude Code can't work with this model because probably it's too small. Okay, let's wait for the response from our big model. So as you could see, almost 2 minutes passed and I still didn't get the answer. I have 32 GB of RAM and 8 GB of VRAM. That's still not enough to run these models on your local computer. So if you have better NVIDIA graphic card, then probably it could work a little faster for you. Okay, and finally we've got the answer, but unfortunately couldn't get the correct response for my prompt. But don't worry, if your computer is not powerful, we can use Ollama cloud models. All you need, go to ollama.com website, find the model that's available on the cloud, and then start the Claude Code with that model. Since I have cloud model on my computer, I simply run command Ollama launch Claude --config and then select cloud model. And now let's try to use the same prompt and see if Claude Code can answer on this prompt. Okay, it's definitely worked faster than on my local computer. And this time I've got the answer. And the answer is correct. This is my simple repository, single page web tutorial. So the answer is correct. So as you could see, now you can use Ollama with Claude Code, you can use local models from your computer, you can use models from Ollama Cloud. Have dedicated tutorial about Ollama, make sure to check it out. If you like this video, please click like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you, bye.